Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But periodical cicadas that emerge en masse once every 17 or 13 years are unique to the eastern U.S. The 17-year cicadas live in the north, and the 13-year cicadas are found in the south and the Mississippi Valley. The three species of 17-year cicadas, Magicicada septendecim, M.
Take our lead.
The 17-year periodical cicadas are distributed across the eastern, upper Midwestern, and Great Plains states within the U.S., while the 13-year cicadas occur in the southern and Mississippi Valley states, but some may overlap slightly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.